Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this month's Boxycharm. We got the base, we got the premium, and there is something that happened with the base box that I ended up getting an email from Boxycharm telling me that there was a duplicate item that had been previously given in another Boxycharm, and they were giving a $12 credit, so I was able to choose something from their mega drop sale, whatever it was, and have that put into this. But they also still gave me the thing that, you know, was in another box of mine. So we're just gonna jump right in and get started. All right, so for the base box we have, let's see what the card says. It says Boxycharm Super Bloom, purple packaging, yada yada yada. First we have Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. Let's find that here. Skin Ink, right here, right there. I have no idea what this is. Never heard of this brand. Don't know what it's supposed to be. It is a glow up with the world's first skincare makeup serum glow filter, blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction, wow, I can't read, is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Ink's top two best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and is personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin, neither of which I have. But it's really cool packaging. If you could see, oh, look at that. It's like little beads. Yeah, they're beads. That's what I can call them. They're beads that are inside there. And it's a little pump, which I'm not going to do. I'm not going to open it up and contaminate it. Nothing like that. I'm not going to smell it. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Yes. We're back to filming in the spring, summer months and with the heat. And it's like god awful in here. I don't feel like putting on the air conditioner. I have a fan blowing on me and the window's shut, so you don't have to hear anything. But anyway, this is $50. Yes, $50. Okay, next thing we have Oasis Mildew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. This is the thing that I had gotten before in a previous Boxycharm. And so this is the thing that they were saying that was dupe and duplicate. And they gave me the $12 credit to use during the mega drop sale. So this is, like I said, the pH moisture milk toner. This is $24, and the thing that I got with the credit was the Kate Somerville Skin Health Expertise. It is the goat milk moisturizing cleanser, and that's right there. I don't know how much this really was. I think maybe I spent an extra $1 because I think it was $13, and I ended up just spending another $1. Whatever, I don't care. So, but the Oasis thing here is $34. Next we have Item Beauty, and it is by Addison Rae, and it is their Air Hug Concealer. I got this in the shade, I don't even know what the shade is. 200, I think. Yeah, 200. The zeros look like 8s. So, and that's how big it is. Looks like a little pencil with an eraser. It's really cool looking. You know, I've heard things about this concealer that is really good. Can't wait to give it a go because I don't really have that many concealers. $18, not bad on pricing. I'm gonna have to try more stuff from her. And next we have here, we have, who do we have here? V Cosmetics. There's not K, it's a V on there. Can you clearly see? It says V, not K. V Cosmetics Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick. This is $22. It's brand new to Boxy. Let's see what the shade is. Don't even know. It is this pretty little pinky color. Let's try not one, but oh my. Color I don't use. I love how you tell them that you want neutrals and they end up giving you a berry color. And you don't wear these colors, but that's $22 if I didn't, is what it was. Next we have Yensa Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. It's $18. It's basically a sponge. It doesn't feel like it's going to be soft when you use it. I don't feel like taking it out of the bag because I don't want to get it dirty, because right now I'm not using sponges, I'm using brushes. So when I go to use this, I don't want it to be already nasty and dirty. So that is that for that box there. Moving on to the premium box, we have, just making sure you guys are still on there while I'm still recording. Same thing, Super Bloom. Alright, let's see what we got here. We have Elemis. It's the Superfood Midnight Facial. Let's let here. And it is in a pretty pink box. It actually matches the lipstick. I'm not opening it to smell it. I just want to see what the packaging looks like. And it is bright pink. I really want to open it, but I kind of don't. I don't want to ruin stuff by opening it and exposing it to air. But it is also $50. My eyes are really shot today. My mascara is blurring my vision today. I don't know why. But anyway, that is, like I said, $50. Next we have Cover FX Gripping Primer. I heard good things about that. I think I did. I was able to select this one. So, I believe so. I believe so. I believe so. I believe so. So, yes. So, the Cover FX Gripping Primer. Right here, a regular grayish tube. Sorry, my phone's going to be going off like crazy, and I don't even know where my phone is at to even shut it up. 1 second. Alright, let's mute this. Hopefully it'll keep it quiet. Alright, so anyway, Cover FX Gripping Primer at $38. That's not bad. Next we have Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. Facial oil. Don't know what it's supposed to do. Ultra Pure Facial Oil. Made in Italy. Truffle Therapy. I don't know. I'm not smelling it or anything. Just want to see what the bottle looks like. Oil like that. I really don't know what to do with oils since I use rosehip oil. Like, what am I to do really with this? Like, what's it? When do I put it on? Do I put it on before or after I use rosehip oil on my face? I mean, it's great and all, but I'm afraid that once my rosehip oil is over with and I end up starting to use this kind of oil, that my skin's going to get worse. So, I don't know. I'll give these oils a try. I'll read more into it. It says day and night. Alcohol free. GMO free. Vegan. Gluten free. Cruelty free. You know, that's basically all I'm really seeing. Or I can see, because I'm sorry, but that lettering, I don't know if you can see. I can't read that. It's really tiny fine print. But anyway, that is a lot of money. That is $88. Alright, next we have LaRousse Beauty 3-piece contour brush set with At Serviced by Limited edition pouch. So this is $50 for this brush set. I've gotten a brush set from this company before, and their brushes actually weren't so good. Now this feels good, and I keep sweating like crazy. Now this brush set feels really good. Oh, these are really nice. Very nice. Pretty pink, studded handle. Really nice little studded. It's like bumpies right there. Very nice, very pretty. I like it. I don't know where I even put the other ones at. I'll have to find them. But anyway, $50 for a 3-piece set. That's a lot of money for a 3-piece set, for real. It's more than $15 a brush. So, I mean, it's ridiculous. Then we have the KVD Vinyl Lip Cream Lip Gloss. I believe I picked this. I think maybe. I don't know. I don't remember what my option was. I think I was able to pick one. I don't even know if I was able to pick one or two. And the box doesn't want to open up right. So, trying to get it open. I want to see what the lip gloss color is. It's this nude packaging. There you go. Let's swipe it on the hand. That's a lip gloss. That's a very pigmented lip gloss, let me tell you. The bottom one right there, that is very pigmented. It's actually really pretty. Put like a nice lip liner underneath that, and that's all you need. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty. Like it. Alright. Ah! Fell out of my hand. So that was actually $20. So that's actually not bad. I thought that would be more, especially from KVD. Alright, next we have Base Blue Cosmetics. It is dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes. I'm not opening these. I don't individually wrapped face cleansing wipes. Water active cleansing wipe, gentle to use on sensitive skin, remove excess oil and refresh skin. Night makeup removing wipe effectively removes makeup, dirt, and oil. Alright, so you just have to wet them. And that's it. And you're good to go. Interesting. And they're only $21. That's pretty cheap. How many you get in here? 10 pieces. Alright, so that is a lot of money for 10 pieces. When you can go get a whole bag of, what do you call those, makeup remover wipes. And there's like 50 to 100 in there, and you can get them for like $5. Go TJ Maxx. So, that is everything I have in my boxes for this month of Boxycharm, the May box. If you guys get Boxycharm, let me know what you guys got, if you like it. If you don't like them, let me know if anything that I got in my boxes, if you actually do use it, and especially those face oils, let me know how you guys use them. If you want, you can give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Like I said, anything you want to tell me. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.